Welcome to the Hard channel. Today you'll learn if the AGM H6 has slow motion recording or not. So the short answer is yes, it does. Let's see how it works. Open the camera and then scroll right here to the more section and pick slow motion. Now record a short video for the demonstration. So let's see what I've recorded. It doesn't look very good, but it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.